Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness a captivating mathematical trick that will leave you astounded. Welcome to our video where we unravel the mysteries of the base 4 quaternary number trick. This mind-bending trick combines the power of numbers, colors, and rotations to reveal any chosen number from 1 to 64. Prepare to be amazed. Before we dive into the mesmerizing details of this trick, let's introduce you to the concept behind it. The quaternary base 4 numeral system is at this magical illusion's heart. Using 4 colors and their corresponding rotational symmetry angles, we create a fascinating spectacle of numbers. Get ready to explore the logic behind this trick and witness it in action with a captivating one-on-one conversation. Welcome. What's your name? Hi, I'm Sarah. Lovely to meet you, Sarah. Today, I have an extraordinary mathematical trick to share with you. Are you ready to embark on this journey of numbers and illusions? Absolutely. I'm excited to see what you have in store for me. Fantastic. Choose a number between 1 and 64, but keep it a secret for now. Take this slave card. Now, let me ask you a simple question. Is your chosen number present on this card? Let me check. Yes, it is. Excellent. Now, tell me the color of the cell where your number resides. The cell is magenta. Wonderful. Magenta corresponds to the rotational symmetry angle of 180 degrees. Rotate slave card 1 accordingly and stack it behind the number card. Is your chosen number on this card? Yes, it is. Great. Now, tell me the color of the cell where your number resides. It's yellow. Perfect. The rotational symmetry angle for yellow is 270 degrees. Rotate slave card 2 to match this angle and stack it behind the previous cards. Note 270 degrees clockwise rotation is equal to 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now for the final card, take slave card 3. Okay, I have it. Does this card contain your chosen number? Yes, it does. Amazing. What color is the cell that holds your number? It's cyan. Perfect. The rotational symmetry angle for cyan is 90 degrees. Rotate slave card 3 to match this angle and stack it behind the previous cards. Now, it's time for the grand reveal. Let's flip over the entire set of cards together and witness the magic unfold before our eyes. Behold! The base 4 quaternary number trick has flawlessly revealed your chosen number, which is 38. That's incredible. How does it work? The magic lies in the combination of the quaternary, base 4, logic, the 4 colors C, M, Y, and K, namely, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and their corresponding rotational symmetry angles. By eliminating possibilities with each slave card, we narrow down the options using 3/4 elimination until the chosen number is unveiled. Logic behind the trick. Now that we have witnessed the trick in action, let's delve deeper into the logic behind it. The quaternary base 4 numeral system, represented by the numbers 0, 1, 2, and 3, forms the foundation of this illusion. With the use of 4 colors and their respective rotational symmetry angles, we can perform intricate calculations and unveil any chosen number from the given range. The 4 colors, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, are not only aesthetically pleasing but also hold significant meaning in the world of mathematics and design. These colors create a visual and numerical masterpiece, and their corresponding rotational symmetry angles are 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. You don't have to remember the 4 rotational angles needed for the 4 colors. Just refer to the number card for the rotational angles. The 4 bands of black, cyan, magenta, and yellow of the number card will guide you for the 4 rotational angles. How to perform the trick? Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of performing the base 4 quaternary number trick. This will allow you to impress your friends and family with your newfound mathematical powers. Step 1. Invite someone to choose a number between 1 and 64. Provide them with one of the slave cards and ask if their number is present on that card. Let's see the colors and their associated rotations to be used. We use 4 colors: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, and 4 symmetrical rotations of a square, namely 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 0 or 360 degrees. Step 2. If their number is not on the card, stack it behind the key card without rotating it. If their number is on the card, determine the color of the corresponding cell and the rotational symmetry angle associated with that color. Rotate the slave card to match the angle of rotation for the color determined. Stack the rotated card behind the previous ones. Step 3. Repeat this process with the remaining slave cards until all the colors and rotations are accounted for. Step 4. Finally, flip over the stacked cards to reveal Master Card, which will display the chosen number. Note, in each slave card 16 squares have been completely eliminated using quaternary logic to create windowed slave cards, which is 1/4 of 64 is equal to 16. A working example, taking number 38. Let's take a closer look at a working example to solidify our understanding of the trick. We'll use the number 38 as an example. See the 3/4 elimination from the key card point of view. In the first slave card, 38 is present in a magenta cell. Magenta corresponds to a rotational symmetry angle of 180 degrees, so we rotate the slave card 1 accordingly and stack it behind the key card. Out of 64 numbers, only 16 numbers are revealed and the remaining 48 numbers are eliminated. Moving on to the second slave card, we find that 38 is present in a yellow cell. Yellow corresponds to a rotational symmetry angle of 270 degrees or 90 degrees counterclockwise, so we rotate slave card 2 accordingly and stack it behind the previous cards. After the second slave card placement, out of 16 numbers, only 4 numbers are revealed and the remaining 12 numbers have been eliminated. Moving on to the last third slave card, we find that 38 is present in a cyan cell. Cyan corresponds to a rotational symmetry angle of 90 degrees clockwise, so we rotate slave card 3 accordingly and stack it behind the previous cards. Now, it's time for the grand reveal. We flip over the stacked cards together. After the final third slave card placement, out of 4 numbers, only 1 number, which is the number 38, is revealed and the remaining 3 numbers are eliminated. Application of the trick. The base for quaternary number trick serves as a fascinating illusion and finds practical applications in various fields. In the realm of mathematics, the trick highlights the concepts of number systems, rotational symmetry, and color coding. It serves as an engaging way to explore the quaternary base for numeral system. Furthermore, the tricks rely on colors and rotations mirrors applications in diverse areas such as genetics, coding, map coloring using the 4-color theorem, and even optimization of computer circuitry. We hope you enjoyed this mesmerizing journey into the world of numbers, colors, and rotations. If you found this video intriguing and entertaining, we encourage you to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, family, and fellow math enthusiasts. A PDF link is provided in the description box so that you can print, execute, and explore the card trick. Remember, the wonders of mathematics are all around us, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. Stay curious, keep exploring, and embrace the beauty of numbers in all their magnificent forms. By the way, our next card-based trick in this series is on birth date card trick, based on quaternary and ternary logic combined together.